Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you top tips to prevent Facebook ad account disabling. So actually there are tons of reasons why Facebook ad account disabling happens. So I'm going to show you how to prevent this one. Number one is you have to follow their rules and community guidelines. First is don't sell products prohibited by Facebook. The final statement suggests that there are things you can sell, but only to a specific kind of customer. Put another way, certain product categories have age restrictions. And for instance, if this is restricted to individuals, then you should provide a specific information for that. Number two, avoid any kind of discrimination. So Facebook appropriately prohibits discrimination advertising on the basis of personal characteristics such as age, gender, race, handicap, family situation, and so forth. Number three, avoid using false information. Avoid using baits or making exaggerated claims on your landing page or ad copy. Eventually, this will result in the blocking of your account. Communicate openly and avoid promising prospective clients anything you can't deliver on. Then, number four, be careful to use pop ups or be careful with pop ups. The usage of pop ups on landing pages is another issue. For instance, pop up advertisements that ask you to download anything, personal information, to view website or content, or include a countdown that prevents you from closing the window until you finish watching the advertisement. Number five, gathering of personal data. It is against the law to collect personal information under the bot defense or to request an email address or phone number in order to download anything. Number six, be mindful of how you phrase things. It is important to consider word choice in your advertisement, even if you have read and understand the regulations, or sometimes you just plainly forget what you say in the creative most of the time. So these are just a few of the tips on how to prevent Facebook ad disabling. I do really hope that this video helped you. So if you have found this video helpful, please do subscribe, please do like, and if you want to suggest any topic for tutorials, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.